Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's a bit rainy, it's a Sunday afternoon. Hopefully everything will go through smoothly. Let's go and load up. So it's only 25 bags for this 2-hour stretch. We've got a 5, a 7, a 3 and a 10. All quite close together to start with, and then one a little bit further away. Let's go deliver. Hello.
Hello, Brian. Can you just, yeah, thank you.
Put them in there for you. There's 2 more for me to get. They've loaded them up quite heavy, so be careful.
Oh,
They do that sometimes.
they do, yeah.
They were trying to save paper, I think. There we go.
Thank you very
All done
much,
for you.
love.
There we go. Cheers.
you.
Have a nice afternoon. There we go, all done for you. Thanks. Have a nice afternoon. Sometimes you just have to stop where you can. Hazard lights on, there's nowhere to park in that road. So I went round because there was a car behind me. Those stepping stones are good. There we go. It's 10 all together for you. There we go. And 2 more. There we go, all done for you. Cheers, have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40, completed in 1 hour. So that makes it £40 an hour, yay! A little bit of trouble with that one-way street, but we got around that by doing the loop, sticking the hazards on and stopping outside the house because there wasn't anywhere to park. It's been rainy, but I managed to dodge most of it. Raincoat helped. It's a 30-minute drive home, and I'll be home well before the block finishes, which is always a bonus. So I hope you enjoyed that ride along video, nice quick one today. So if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more flex tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.